is standing for the proclamation of benediction.
Without being ordered to. Brother Installing Marshal, you will make the proclamation.
I've been directed to proclaim and do hereby proclaim that the worshipful master, wardens, and other officers, elected and appointed, except for the Jewish steward and marshal of Villa Park Lodge of No. 1113, have been duly and regularly installed. This proclamation is made from the east, from the west, from the south. Once, twice, thrice. All interested will take due notice and govern themselves accordingly.
Almighty and everlasting God, from whom cometh every good and perfect gift, send down upon thy servants here assembled the helpful spirit of thy grace, that they may truly please thee in all their doings. Grant, O Lord, power of mind and great understanding to those whom we have this day clothed with authority to preside over and direct the affairs of this lodge, and so replenish them with the truths of Masonry, and adorn them with humility of life, that both by word and good example they may faithfully serve thee, to the glory of thy holy name, and to the advancement for all good purposes of our beloved institution. Amen.
So be it.
Worshipful Master. Well, you can sit down if you want to. The best thing about this job is that I get to be the very first to congratulate you on behalf of your brethren in Villa Park number 1113. As worshipful master of this lodge, I congratulate you, and now it is your show to run. However you wish us to spend the remainder of the afternoon, it's your call. Hope you enjoy it. Looking forward to working with you. Brother Omar, I would like to congratulate you on the completion of a successful year in the East here. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I know that you are looking forward to a path ahead of you in Freemasonry. None know where it will lead, but I sincerely hope that you will enjoy whatever it brings to you.
Now it's all yours. I'm done.
Yeah.
No question.
You don't even have to stand if you don't want to.
I would like to make some introductions. We have several members from the Eastern Star in assorted groups, so I'd like to call off their names. We have Donna Flock. Please stand. She is the Grand Warder of the Order of the Eastern Star of Illinois.
There we go.
Next we have Linda Sokola. She is the Worthy Matron of Villa Park, Chapter 953 of the Order of Eastern Star. Next we have Worshipful Brother Hal March. He is the Worthy Patron of Villa Park, Villa Park Chapter 953 of the Order of Eastern Star. And lastly, we have Barbara Eccles. She is the worthy matron-elect and member of the Board of Governors. And thank you for coming. I have a couple presentations I'd like to make for the installing officers. So I'll just go.
Need some help?
Deacon do it.
That's right.
I'm sure some of you know that I'm a glass blower, so I make various pieces of art and whatnot. So, as a token of my appreciation for the installing officers coming out today, I would like to give each one of them a little paperweight that I made with a Masonic dichroic image marble on it with my signature. So I would like to start with Brother Floyd Sullivan. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Brother Ali. Thank you. Worshipful Bill McCarthy. Thank you for your support today.
Thank you, this is beautiful, brother. Thank you. Very welcome.
Right Worshipful Mark Entwistle. And lastly, we have Right Worshipful Mike Bonnerdale. Thank you, sir. Please, sir. I'll be honest with you guys, I didn't prepare